Hey guys, in this video I will be demonstrating ways in which you can achieve the washi tape effect digitally in Adobe Illustrator. There are two methods I'll demonstrate. Here's the first one. Say you want to use a pattern you've made yourself in Illustrator. Here I have made a red and black pattern. You want to select this and go to Object, Patterns. The pattern that you create will automatically go into the swatches panel to the right here. Have a play around with the options. And there is always a cancel button at the top if you're not happy with it. I wanted to make mine smaller in size, so I clicked cancel and brought back the options again. Once you're happy, click save at the top of the panel. Now you can change the fill of your shapes to your pattern. If you want to fill in the clothes of characters, for instance, like here, you can bring in scanned artwork, but unless you have drawn everything digitally, then you can skip this step. Go to Object, Image Trace, and Make. There's also the option to the right here. Adjust the thickness of the line art here. I put mine up to 178. There are lots of other options for you to play around with in this tab, but I'm just going to finish off here. Once you're done, click Expand. Fix up your artwork if need be. I'm just deleting what I don't want, like the background for instance. Grab the paint bucket tool, making sure your pattern is still selected. Fill in the space you want the pattern to be. And that's it. Washi tape effect 1 achieved. So for the second method, say you want to use an existing pattern you've scanned or found online. Bring in the image. I just drag mine into the file. Make sure the image is selected and at the top click Embed. Now drag the image into the Color Swatches tab. Grab the paint bucket tool, making sure your pattern is still selected. Fill in the space you want the pattern to be. Hopefully this has given you an idea of what you can achieve with this effect. If you found this video useful, please give this a like or comment down below. Thanks for watching.